That is law of non-resistance. If you follow it correctly, this law is going to open a doorway to miracles, a miracle for your own dream realities to open up. Are you someone who is constantly struggling in life and losing it, and now you are tired? Well, today's video is just for you. The more you struggle, you will see your struggles getting bigger and bigger, and it is going to persist. Because it is rightly said, whatever you resist will always persist. What if I tell you that this constant struggle that you're doing against the cosmic flow is blocking your abundance, your blessings, your miracles? Well, the most powerful thing that you can do is just to let go. How to do that? By following law of non-resistance. Yes, guys. Hello and welcome to my channel, Evolve with Nrupa. My name is Nrupa Joshi and I am your life transformation coach. I teach you how to change your mindset and change your life. So welcome and stay tuned till the end of this video because I'll be telling you how to let go of those resistances which is bringing the struggle in your life and just live the life of a dream. Flow with that cosmic flow and make your lives easier. So stay tuned till the end because today we are going to follow the law of non-resistance. So guys, have you ever seen, like if you are in a boat and you are rowing upstreams with the oars against the current, against the flow, you will see it's very difficult, obviously because you are going against the flow. But the minute you let go, the boat will flow along with the current and you will go and sail smoothly. Isn't that correct? Same is the case for your life. In life, whenever you find struggles in your life, it is you moving upstream against the current. All you need to do is just let go and go with the cosmic flow and not fight against your reality. How do we do that? First, we need to bring awareness because awareness is empowerment. When we bring awareness to our resistances, where we are bringing the resistance, only then we are aware. So how to bring that awareness? It is simple. Your resistance is always hidden in your self-talk. Whenever you are doing and you find some failure or something not going according to your plan, there will be a self-talk which will be coming as, why is this happening to me? It always happened to me. Is this unlucky? Am I unlucky? Why I hate this phase of my life? This person is not good. Remember, this self-talk is nothing but an hidden resistance. Now, how can you change it? How can you be in the flow? How can you flow like river? Chinese had correctly said that river is the most strongest element on the earth because it is constantly in flow. It is constantly non-resisting. It can cut through stones, mountains and rocks. You know, that is how power the law of non-resistance is, which if followed like a river, you can always flow in your life. So, what should we do? I'll be giving you a formula of 3 A's that you can follow. The first A is nothing but acknowledge. Acknowledge that you have resistance in that particular area of your life. Acknowledge it. See that, yes, I agree, there is a resistance there. I see to it. Next, what you can do? It's very simple. You just need to accept it. Accept that, yeah, this is there. I accept this area of my life. I need to work on it. I need to do more inner work. Once you're in the acceptance, that inner charge, it dissipates. I'll give an example. If somebody is very angry at you and is shouting, telling you it's all your fault, just accept. Just say, okay, I agree, you are right. This is my fault. Suddenly you'll see all the anger fizzle out of that person. Doesn't it happen? Yes, that is the emotional charge going away. So remove that emotional charge from that situation. Just accept it. Okay, I agree that this is the situation. I do not like it. And there is a resistance that I'm facing here. So accept it. Once you accept, the emotional charge, the power behind it is just removed. It fizzles out, it dissipates. And the last step is align. Align with your higher self. Align energetically. Ask your higher self, what is the lesson behind this? What can I learn from this? And guide me. How can I get out of the situation? This is going to help you a lot Once you are in that energetic alignment, just simply let go. Trust that your higher self is going to help you and you will flow. Realize that everything that is happening is not happening to you, it is happening for you. Always remember that every person, every being, anybody that you meet is there only for you. It is projection of your own consciousness and they are here to help you. See your problems as opportunities. Follow the law of transmutation. Convert those failures into success and just go with the flow. And trust me, your life will become much smoother. Most of our problems are self-made. They are created by ourselves because we have always believed, there is a source of good and there is a source of evil. The evil is not good and the good is the good. No, there is only one single power, and that is the source from which we all have come, from which the entire universe has come, right? We just simply need to align ourselves with that source and remember that whatever is happening is always happening for your highest good. Once you receive this inner knowledge, just go with the flow, surrender, and trust me, you will see struggles in your life just fizzling out. And when you not give energy to anything, like I said, the emotional charge is removed and it cannot sustain itself. No negative situation or circumstance can sustain. So just remove your focus from it, remove your attention, remove that emotional charge from it and surrender. Trust that everything is happening for you in your favor. That is law of non-resistance. If you follow it correctly, this law is going to open a doorway to miracles. A miracle for your own dream realities to open up. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please comment below in case you are going to remove any of your resistances today and write the opposite of what you are going to remove. Like suppose if you have resistance of maybe somebody's finding a job and they have resistance that, I'm not worthy of getting job in this dream location. Then write that. Bring awareness to it. Accept it. And now align that I am worthy of this job, right? And ask your higher being for the guidance. Whatever now happens will be happening for you because you have asked for that desire. And now entire universe is going to conspire to give you that. So guys, I hope you liked my video. If you have liked it, give it a like. This helps a lot. Do subscribe to my channel in case you are new. And do comment below which resistance you are going to remove and do not forget to share it with your friends and family members. Also, I would just like to tell you that I'm coming up with a new webinar, that is the Dream Life Blueprint. Do join this webinar and come here. There I'll be diving in much deeper on how you can achieve all your goals, how you can get success by not doing hustling, by effortless success. So it's going to be a fun webinar. In case you are interested, do register. It's happening on 5th of July at 7:30 p.m. IST. And I'll put the link in the description. So thank you so much guys for watching till the end. Bye.